What if the most beautiful decoration in your home didn't come from an expensive furniture store? What if it started with an old piece of wooden and a forgotten piece of metal? The most people throw these materials away, but creative makers turn them into stylish home decor that looks custom made. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore an inspiring idea that combines reclaimed wood and recycled metal into creative, beautiful decoration on a small budget. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. These projects are simple, creative, perfect for anyone who loves decorating without spending a fortune. By the end of this video, you will never look at scrap material in the same way again. So let's get inspired. See treasures instead of trash. Old wood and metal are full of possibilities. Don't focus on their age, focus on what they can become. Every leftover piece has the potential to add beauty into your home. Great decorating offers started with materials other people ignore. Creativity begins with a different way to see things. Mix warm wood with strong metal. Wood brings warmth and comfort. Metal adds a clean and modern touch. Together, they create a balanced look that feels both cozy and stylish. The contrast makes simple projects stand out. It is an easy way to give your home a designer look. Start with a small decorating project. You don't have to build a large furniture to make a difference. Small shelves, serving trays, plant stand, all decorative completely change a room. Simple projects build a confidence. They also fit almost any budget. Small ideas often create the biggest impact. Decor every room. These projects are not just for the living room. Add handmade decor to your kitchen. Brighten your bedroom with simple wood accents. Create a welcoming entryway. Even a bathroom can feel warmer with natural warmth. Every room deserves a personal touch. Let a natural materials be the focus. You don't need bright color to create beautiful. The natural look of wood already adds character. Simple materials like metal detail complete the design. Keeping things natural creates a timeless style. Less decoration often feels more elegant. Decorate on a small budget. A stylish home does not have to cost thousands of dollars. Many beautiful decorations begin with free or inexpensive materials. Reusing wood and metals help save money. Handmade projects often look more valuable than store-bought pieces. Creativity is your greatest decoration tool. Turn everyday objects into home decor. Look around your home with fresh eyes. Old blankets, candles, baskets, and wooden board can become something completely new. Everyday items often have decoration potential. One simple idea can give forgotten material a second life. Inspiration is everywhere. Make your home feel more personal. Handmade projects or decor crafts reflects your personality. Every project tells a story. Your home becomes different from everyone else. Guests often notice unique handmade pieces first. Personal touch made a house feel like a home. Build once, enjoy for years. Simple designers never go out of style. Natural materials continue looking beautiful years after year. Timeless decor does not need constant replacing. Handmade quality lasts longer than many trend decorations. Build something you will enjoy every day. The real secret to beautiful decorating. Beautiful homes are not created by spending more money. They are created through thoughtful ideas. Mixing reclaimed wood with simple metal creates warmth, character, and style. Great design comes from creativity, not expensive shopping. Sometimes the most impressive decoration begins with materials everyone else overlooked. Every piece has hidden potential. That old board in the corner might become your favorite decoration. A forgotten piece of metal could become the perfect finishing touch. Don't look at what the materials are today. Imagine what they could become tomorrow. Creativity begins with imagination. Give old materials a beautiful second life. Every project is a chance to create something new. Instead of throwing materials away, give them a fresh purpose. Old wood becomes warm and inviting again. Worn materials become part of stylish design. Simple changes can create amazing results. Create a home that feels unique. Handmade decorations give your home personality. No one else will have exactly the same piece. That's what makes DIY decoration special. Every project reflects your creativity. Your home becomes a place that truly feels like yours. Add warmth without spending more. Beautiful homes are not always filled with expensive furniture. Sometimes, it is the handmade detail that makes the biggest difference. Natural wood adds warmth, metal adds character. Together, they create a welcoming space everyone enjoys. Think before furniture. Decorating is not only about the table and shelves. Small accents can completely change a room. Wall art, tray, organizers, and simple display all add style. It's often the little details that people notice first. Small projects are greater for beginners too. Mix different texture. Smooth wooden looks beautiful besides aged material. Softened fabrics work well with natural materials. Plants add freshness to every design. Mixing texture makes a room feel more interesting. Variety brings a life to simple space. Make every room feel connected. Repeating similar materials throughout your home. A little wood in the living room, a matching piece in the kitchen, another simple decoration in the hallway. Using the same style creates a calm and balanced home. Its simplicity stands out. You don't need complicated decorations. A clean design often attracts more attention. Too many decorations can make a room feel crowded. One beautiful handmade piece can become the star of the space. Simple designs never go out of style. Decor with nature. More natural brings the outdoor inside. Pair your projects with green plants. Add woven basket or simple pottery. Natural materials work together beautifully. They create a peaceful and relaxing material atmosphere. Turn empty space into a beautiful display. Empty walls don't have to stay empty. Unused corner can become cozy reading spot. A small shelf can completely change an ordinary wall. Every space has decorating potential. Sometimes all it takes is one creative idea. Handmade projects tell a story. Every mark in the wood has a story. Every reused piece has a past. Now, we are giving it a brand new furniture. That's something you can't buy in a store. Handmade decor always feels more meaningful. Inspire friends and family. People often ask where beautiful handmade decoration came from. Imagine telling them you built them yourself. Great ideas meant to be shared. Every project spread a little inspiration. Build slowly and enjoy the process. Don't rush the finishing everything in one day. Enjoy each step along the way. Build slowly and enjoy the process. Don't rush to finish everything in one day. Enjoy each step along the way. Why simple materials slowly become beautiful decoration. The journey is just as rewarding as the finished project. Every build teaches something new. Affordable decorating can still look luxurious. Luxury is not always about spending more money. It's about thoughtful design, clean lines, natural materials, and careful detail creates an expensive look. Handmade quality stands out. Beautiful homes are built with creativity, not just a big budget. The greatest decoration is your creativity. The wood and metals are only the beginning. The real magic comes from your imagination. Every project starts with one simple idea. Every finished piece builds your confidence, and before long, you will begin seeing creative opportunity everywhere you look. At the end, remember, you don't need expensive materials to create a beautiful home. You only need a little imagination and the willing to try something new. Old wood and forgotten material can become decoration that bring warmth, style, and personality to every room. Keep looking for possibility. Keep creating with confidence. And most importantly, enjoy every project you build. If today's video gave you new idea, please leave a like and subscribe for more woodworking inspiration, DIY home decor, budget-friendly decoration, and creative craft project every day. We would love to hear from you in the comment section. Which room in your home would you decor first using reclaimed wood and metal? Thank you for watching. Until the end, we will see you in the next creative DIY adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.